Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner.
Hi ladies, hi gents, this is Cindy, and I am going to be doing a demo on how I apply false eyelashes. But there's going to be a little twist to this video. I'm only going to apply a false eyelash on one side, on one eye. And let's see how much difference wearing false eyelashes really makes to our overall look. Now, I purchased this lash package. I've already opened it. I already have my makeup on. I have my eyeliner on, and I have a tiny bit of mascara on. And so now I was trying to find my tweezers because I usually use my eyebrow tweezers to apply my lashes, but I couldn't find my tweezers. So I'm just going to use this top lash. And I did put some black glue on. Sometimes these can be a real bear to get off, and I'm having trouble getting it off. So here's the lash. I'm going to dip it into my glue. So dip, dip, dip. Let's see. I think I got the wrong one. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, so I look down. I'm not going to play with it. I'm not going to tap, tap, tap it because I don't want to mess it up. You guys, I just reviewed the video I made about putting on the false eyelash, and I really covered up with this little mirror how I really, for you to see exactly how I did it. So I'm going to just, you saw me take the tweezer, dip it in the glue, and then I pretty much closed my eyes, all except to be able to see in my mirror. And then I laid the lashes, I held the lashes up higher like that. And then I put the base of the lash right there on my black eyeliner. And then took it off. So I hope that helps, because that was kind of cheating when I didn't have the, you couldn't see up close how exactly I got that eyelash on. So, so this is me without my curler, with my curler still in. And then if you need to, you can go over that with a liquid eyeliner to disguise any oops that you may have made. What do you guys think? I'm going to take my curlers out, and we'll see about the whole, the finished look. Okay, I brushed my hair. I played around with it to get some of that just curled look out. The purpose of this video was to see, does it really make a difference when we wear false eyelashes? Now, because I kind of wear my hair over to the side, I put my false eyelash on this eye. But as I'm talking, I'm looking into my viewfinder, so I'm not looking at myself right now. So what do you guys think? Do you think it makes much of a difference? Now remember, this is a very light false eyelash. It's not a thick one. It's definitely one that I would wear during the day. I'll have to check it out when I hang up. So this is Cindy signing off from Idaho, and until our next conversation. Bye-bye.
Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. For years I've kept my feelings grounded and gone without, all kept within. By these high walls I've been surrounded, walls to her eyes only paper thin. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the turning of the tide. And the match that drew the spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. If that ain't love,